Hello and welcome to Crypto Bible. My name is Oliver, and in today's episode we're going to be covering, you've guessed it, some news articles relating to the world of crypto. Now, just before we get stuck in, go ahead, throw me an early like, get yourself subscribed to the channel and turn on your notifications so you never miss any of our upcoming content. Now, let's get stuck straight in to see what the market is doing at the moment. Okay, coin market cap. Here we have a look at the top 3 trending coins: Spooky Shiba, Ryoshi token, and Luna. And on the biggest gainers, Ninja Fantasy token, Graft, and Bougie token, number 3. Scroll down a little bit more. Bitcoin 0.13% in the green, trading at 38,693. Ethereum 0.96 in the green, trading at $2,800. Very, very minimal in the green today in the world of crypto. Let's jump into our first news article. Okay, here we go. This one's from Decrypt. It's crypto trading company Aurochs rejects private token sale, ready to go public. If it follows through with its plans, it would become one of the few publicly traded crypto firms. So in brief, Aurochs is a cryptocurrency trading terminal. It aims to go public in 2022, this year. There are plenty of publicly traded crypto firms in the US, but nearly all of them, aside from Coinbase, are dedicated to Bitcoin mining. Aurochs, a crypto trading terminal that wants to make decentralized finance transactions easy as Robinhood made stock purchases, is ready to join them. According to an announcement today, the company is in advanced talk to go public this year. Through legal reasons, it's tight-lipped about whether that will be through a SPAC or a reverse merger or another vehicle. Aurochs isn't an exchange, rather it's a web and mobile app that connects to over 60 exchanges and 10,000 trading pairs using analytics tools such as the Aurochs indicator and the Fear and Greed Index, which we spoke about before, to guide day traders, some of them beginners, to the crypto space and on their transactions. The goal is to help users make profitable trades by giving them access to better data. So Aurochs have been completely self-funded to date. It isn't currently profitable itself. So in a bid to scale up its user base, the company has been temporarily giving free access to its platform. That's had the effect of boosting user numbers from around 500 at the start of the year to just under 60,000 today. CEO Giogi Casaredzi told Decrypt in an interview, "A lot of that has been through word of mouth," he said. Now, the company needs funding to fill its mission. Though Aurochs has its own utility token, Eurus, through its associated DeFi lending protocol, Casaredzi says the team ruled out a private token sale that would give it a cash infusion. "We've always been very specific with our users that aren't involved in our token, and we don't want them involved in our token," he said. There was a blog post announcing the news paints a bleak picture of how it sees private investment. Crypto companies sell tokens privately in order to raise the capital they need to grow. Then the private investors dump the tokens in order to lock their investment. The community is destroyed in the process. We've seen that happen before, haven't we? And there's plenty of, when we deal with the world of crypto, we hear rug pulls, we can hear scams. So trust is really important, of paramount importance to get people on board. While other companies have addressed this issue with vesting periods of other mechanisms, Aurochs' philosophy is pretty clear. Keep the token focused on users of the platform. Going public, on the other hand, gives it access to an abundance of liquidity. Plus, said Casaredzi, it comes with publicity, especially given the death of similar companies on the US stock exchanges. By leading that charge, we're hoping to get a lot of eyes on our company, as well as potential future investments from the capital market. It's a community that appreciates guidance in crypto landscape that's often indecipherable to newcomers. The Coinbase app has brought newcomers into crypto trading by abstracting away a lot of the more technical aspects. Newbies just have to buy or sell, though they can scale up to Coinbase Pro for more advanced functions. However, decentralized finance, the sector of blockchain-based tools that allow people to swap, borrow, or accumulate yield without going through an intermediary, generally remains mystifying due to a more complicated user experience and intimidating interfaces. Casaredzi says Aurochs is up for the challenge of bringing DeFi and decentralized tools to the masses, though it won't be easy. We want to get our applications into the hands of people that have never used decentralized applications before and potentially never will because of how complex that is right now, said Kadzarades. So we want to simplify their user experience by making it complex for us and harder for us to develop the back end. So what do you guys think of this trading company, Aurochs? Is it something you would use? Is it of interest to you? Let me know all your thoughts in the comments below. Okay, our next article from Decrypt also. Reddit co-founder focuses on latest $500 million raised on crypto investments. Ohanian is upping the ante with 776 portfolio, doubling down on its crypto focus. So American internet entrepreneur, Reddit co-founder Alexis Ohanian has raised $500 million across 2 new funds via his venture firm 776. He expects to put most of this new money to work investing in crypto startups. Ohanian told Wall Street Journal that crypto startups currently account for around 40% of 776 portfolio, including metaverse game Axie Infinity, crypto tax manager CoinTracker, and Bitcoin rewards app Lolly. But crypto will be the majority of the portfolio by the end of this year. Ohanian's bullish for crypto is inspired by the fact the sector is currently a magnet for promising software developers, and he's not wrong. According to venture firm Electric Capital's developer report, in 2021, 18,000 monthly active developers committed code in open source crypto projects throughout the year, and some 34,000 new developers committed code in 2021, the highest number to date. The Reddit co-founder says crypto's promising recruitment drive that talent has never led me wrong. He also hopes to encourage projects that don't outwardly tout themselves as blockchain-based, but utilize crypto's underlying tech regardless. What excites me about crypto are all the things that no one would know is crypto. So after last year's Bitcoin's bull run pushed many cryptos to new-time highs, venture capitalists have been throwing their hats in the ring last year. But crypto is rooted in the ideals of decentralization, which are odds with the world of venture capital, where companies with significant shareholdings can exert controlling influence over projects. At the end of the year, former Twitter CEO and unabashed Bitcoin maxi Jack Dorsey attacked VC giant Andreessen Horowitz and its alloys for, as he sees it, being at odds with the fundamental spirit of crypto. So what do we think of this? This is big. So we have got, the co-founder of Reddit stacking up big in crypto, raising investments. Surely this is just a good thing. This is another example of institutions getting heavily involved in crypto and buying. So let me know what you think about this article down below in the comments. So that's it for today's episode on the news. I would love to know what you think about the articles we went through together. Let me know all your thoughts in the comments below. Is there any coins that you're bearish or bullish on at the moment? Pop them in the chat and we can talk about it. Now, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn the notification bell icon on, throw me a like if there's time. There's always time. Thank you for joining me for today's episode, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.